Okay, this is Curtis Akins on May 28th. If you guys remember yesterday, I took video of the bird's nest that was in the bumper. Well, we successfully removed the nest from the bumper and I placed it in this little bush. And I'm trying to get a picture of Mama. She just flew into the nest to tend the babies, but I don't want to scare her. So I'm going to be quiet while I try to get close enough to let you guys see Mama taking care of the birds. I call them the bumper birds. I hear them chirping. Wait a minute, did Mama fly out? Is that Mama over there? Okay, I'm gonna leave so Mama and kids can have their fun. You guys see the bird's nest in there?